It's my turn to plus verb is used to say to someone that it's your time or chance to do a particular action. Examples. It's my turn to pay for dinner. It's my turn to answer the teacher's question. It's my turn to take care of my baby sister. It's my turn to do the dishes. It's my turn to choose which movie we will watch on Saturday night. It's my turn to work overtime. It's my turn to read a story to the kids. It's my turn to take Grandpa to the hospital for his regular checkup. It's my turn to host our monthly dinner party. It's my turn to pick a prize.